Creepy crawling spiders sneaking in the night. 8 legs moving softly, glowing eyes so bright. Hanging from the ceiling, spinning webs so wide. Jumping out to scare you, there's no place to hide. Creepy, creepy spiders crawling on the wall. Tiny ones and giant ones, big and small. Tickle, tickle, spooky, spooky, trick or treat surprise. Spiders on Halloween, watch out for glowing eyes. Tiptoe through the shadows, webs are everywhere. Sticky, stringy pathways floating in the air. Spiders dance in circles, on their webs they spin. Laughing happy Halloween with a spooky grin. Creepy, creepy spiders crawling on the wall. Tiny ones and giant ones, big and small. Tickle, tickle, sticky, spooky, trick or treat surprise. Spiders on Halloween, watch out for glowing eyes. In the pumpkin patch they hide, creeping, crawling side to side. Spooky fun for girls and boys, spiders bring the Halloween noise. Creepy, creepy spiders crawling in the night. Creeping closer, what a fright. Spin your webs and